Tangana 2000 akuna mato otala ngopfu. 2013 he nga dablo go. Yeah, 2013. And then loko itele nambulo ku ha munhu amuvako. Hi tshama kwele n'wana tshama kwele. Ku ha n'wana fambelaka. So sweswi ku free ku ha mati. N'wana n'wana munhu swi kota ku ya le, n'wana ya le. Hydrobad bridge Sirezi. So
how is a longer distance for people traveling to Chilezi than Chilezi Bay Bridge? It was a shorter distance for people who are Bay Bridge.
Distance
for people like from Chicago to Chilezi.
Bahapa Luxeni Chilezi. Kule ni Chilezi.
But now because
of uchi Bahapa uchi Bad Bridge. Bad Bridge. Queen and do that.
And now this pro, how is it affecting Valsurapo in terms of travel to Chilezi?
Wow,
how is it a challenge to you in terms of big distance? From here. And so many have been fire.
Sihamba Bad Bridge yochapaso ukuthi sihamba siyale isirezi lawana futhi la vela ngapha kumele ahambe so echapaso.
But this was a shorter route.
Lapha i shortcut. Shortcut la. So